Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing an exciting unboxing on the Huda mystery bags. They got here incredibly quick. So I ordered them on Wednesday the 3rd and it's now Monday the 8th and they have arrived and they come all the way from Dubai. So that's like really quick. I think when you spend over a certain amount you get free shipping as well. So the shipping was knocked off for these. So I've seen like spoilers and stuff, but I don't know what's inside my exact bag because I know like there's some kind of variations in them. So I got the large one and the small. The small one was 45 and the large one was 78. So I'm going to start with the small one first, and I think it said that there was going to be, I think it was either 5 or 6 items in this one. So it comes with the like amazing bag, and the bag is actually classed as an item. So I've like not opened these, I'm completely just opening it on camera. I actually really like the bag. I know in the past they have done like tote bags and that was one of your items, but I didn't particularly like that. So everything like is packaged really nicely. You've got the Huda Beauty card, and I think there's like a discount code on this one. And then they've given me like a little sample of Wishful. So this is lavender, honey, niacinamide and turmeric honey balm. So that's pretty cool. Oh wow. So what is in here I have like not seen. Like my variation like looks really cool. So there are 5 items including the bag. So the first item is one of like the demi matte liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Shiro, and I have seen somebody else getting this shade as well, and they're worth about £17, so that's pretty good. Then I have got one of the, it's called Matte and Metallic Shadows. So this is in the shade Do Not Disturb and Room Service. So it's like a liquid metallic on one side and then more of a matte shade. I have got one of the Diamond Balms. This is a sparkly lip balm and this is in the shade Seductress. And then, wow, I can't believe I got this because I've seen everything that I've seen people getting. They've been getting like the little amethyst palettes, but I've actually got one of the neon palettes. So I'm really excited about this. So this is Neon Green Obsessions. So let's just take it out and have a look. So this is what it looks like. And then inside looks really pretty, and they're about £27 themselves. So this is the Diamond Balm, and I'm pretty sure these are like a new release for Huda. Like the packaging is amazing. And oh, it's so pretty. Like look at how pretty that is. It's just so sparkly, and I'm pretty sure these are like almost clear, so you could get any of these shades and they'll work for you. Oh, and it's a magnetic snap, how fancy. Okay, so that's the box. You get the bag, the Diamond Balm, the Demi Matte, the Neon palette and the metallic shadow, and that was £45. So I think that was not bad, that one. Okay, so let's move on to the large bag. So they've placed this in like the bubble mailers. Last time like I ordered from Huda Beauty, they came in like these big things, so they're really good for packaging. And then again it's like in a plastic, and then everything is in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so just unzipping it now. These are like really sturdy, these bags. These are great. Wow. Okay, so card again. It did say in this one that you get I think it was 8 items. One of them was a tool and one of them is the bag. So the first item is the tool, which is the Basic Bee sponge. Always need a good sponge. Then I've got a Huda emoji. I don't know what this is. This is like a car air freshener. That's pretty cool. I've got the Wishful Honey Balm. So I've seen like a lot of people getting this, and it actually looks quite interesting. And I'm pretty sure the Wishful range are quite expensive as well. So I'm glad that I've got that. I've got the Life Liner. So that's where it is a pencil on one side and a liquid liner on the other. Again, I'm pretty sure that's like about £18. I wasn't that great with the liquid liner just because I prefer the pen type, but yeah, that's still a pretty good item to get in there. So I've got another one of the balms, the Diamond Balms, and this is in the shade Indulge. I wish that I kind of put a lipstick in instead, because like if you like me, you bought both of them, you will be getting like 2 of these balms, and because they're kind of like, they'll probably look the same on the lips, I don't need both. Okay, so 3 items left in the bag, and the next one is definitely not me. Look at this. I think this is a lip strobe. Yeah, lip strobe, and it's in the shade Moody. So that is too dark for me, so you know, that'll be going on my Depop. My Depop will be linked in the comments, not in the comments, on the description box, because I am selling so much at the moment. You can get this for a bargain. Then I have got one of the Huda Beauty highlighters. This is the summer highlighter palette. Let me just have a look at this one. I think this is like one of the, I don't want to say normal, but like I know they do some like of the crazy colours with like blues and stuff, and that one's not really me. So how cute is that? Oh yeah, it's got like purple in it. So I probably would only wear like this colour. So again, this one might be going on my Depop as well. And then the last item, I can't believe I actually got this item, because I'd seen that people had got a palette, and a lot of people got the rose gold palette, and then I think the odd person got the Mercury retrograde, but look what I got. I got the Mercury retrograde. I mean, I do have this palette already, but wow, like I can't believe I even got this in here. So let's have a look. Let's open it up. It's so pretty. That's such a good palette to like put in a mystery box. Wow, look how amazing that looks. Okay, so recap on the big box. We've got the bag. We got the Mercury retrograde, we got the lip strobe, we got the diamond balm, we got the not lip liner, eyeliner. I would have liked a lip liner. I got the honey balm and the sponge. I think that was everything. Oh yeah, the highlighter, whatever I've done with the highlighter. So yeah, I think like these are better than like the previous boxes they've done, and I like that they put Wishful in there as well. Yeah, so I quite like these items, and I'm obviously going to sort through them. And all the things I don't want, I can always put them on my Depop. So yeah, check the description box for those. So thanks for watching today, guys. Did you get anything different in your box? Let me know in the comments box, because you know I'm interested to see what other people got. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again shortly. Bye.